Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about file streams in Java, part of Programming in Java course. File streams are a type of input and output streams that are used to read and write data to files. In Java, the java.io package provides the file input stream and file output stream classes for working with file streams. The FileInputStream class provides methods for reading data from a file. It can be used to read binary data such as image or audio files as well as text files. Here is an example of how to use the FileInputStream class to read a file. In this example, a new FileInputStream object is created, passing the file name example.txt as a parameter. The read method is used to read a byte of data from the file, and the while loop continues until the end of the file is reached. The FileOutputStream class provides methods for writing data to a file. It can be used to write binary data such as image or audio files as well as text files. Here is an example of how to use FileOutputStream class to write to a file. In this example, a new FileOutputStream object is created, passing the file name example.txt as a parameter. The write method is used to write a string of text to the file. In this case, hello world. It is important to note that if a file does not exist, both FileInputStream and FileOutputStream will create a new file. If the file does exist and FileOutputStream is used, it will overwrite the file. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.